everyone, and today's video we are going to learn 4 funny and easy activities to work with the short sound vowel E. Activities that you can do with your kids at home or in the classroom. So before diving into this video, let me remind you, my name is Danik. I am an English teacher and also a mom of 2 boys. I spend a lot of time here on YouTube sharing ideas, activities, and freebies for teachers just like you. So please subscribe to my channel, click on the bell, and give to this video a like. So let's start. Okay guys, as a first activity, I made a board game with a colored cardboard and I drew circles with the words that contain the short vowel sound E. You can draw it or simply cut out colored papers and glue them. It is very easy to do and it is eye-catching for our children. To play, you need a dice. I made mine out of cardboard and a Minecraft character. I use an eraser in the shape of a monster. And then you start by rolling the dice, and the number that comes up are the steps that your child has to advance. Then he or she has to identify the sound for each letter and mention the word. Count out loud the steps because in that way you will practice the numbers. So as you can see, in this moment, I roll the dice, I count 4 steps, and the word is hit. So the child have to make the sound. E, hit. I roll the dice again, and we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the word is fin. N. As a second activity, I made a cute turkey. I drew and painted it on a piece of cardboard. I made some cards with pumpkins, and inside them I wrote the letters. I used the set of cards from the last activity. You can watch this activity on this link. Okay, there are 2 sets, one with a word and one that only shows the picture. I know that Thanksgiving was the last month, but I didn't get a chance to work on this activity that day, so you can change it to a Santa, and instead of pumpkins, you can draw gift boxes. Okay, first, the child has to choose a card, then organize the letters in order to form the word. For example, in this case, is fin. So the child organized the letters and then produced the sound. F, n, fin. And then the child have to say the word. Okay, let's go with the next picture. Is sip. Let's try to find the letters and then organize it. The first letter, we are not working with the letter, we have to call them the first sound. The first sound is Z, then E, and the last one, P, and the word is zip. On this third activity, I made 4 pictures and I create 4 sentences. 1 sentence for each one of them. So I have to read or I have to say my child the sentence, the correct sentence, and he has to listen to me and then organize the piece of cardboard in order to create the correct sentence. For example, the first one is, it is a big fin. It is a big fin. Then the kid has to read it loudly. The second sentence on the second picture is, a pig is in a dig. A pig is in a dig. So my kid, or your kids in this case, have to organize each one of the cardboards and build a sentence. Number 3. Tim is a big pig. You can create your own sentence. In this case, I just create 4. And I made 4 pictures. It is a pink bib. At the end, your child must read each one of the sentence loudly, okay? Okay guys, we are at the end of this video. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive more videos like this about easy and funny activities to work with your kids at home and in the classroom. So, and also please follow us in our social networks like Facebook and Instagram. Thank you very much. Bye bye.